नाता मन का विश्वा इकंजो गगोना.
Very important for people to know how important the sense of hearing is. If a person cannot hear, they cannot acquire speech and language.
Hearing impaired children do have the ability to learn and speak after birth and often babble spontaneously. However, subsequently, they stop babbling and do not develop speech simply because they are unable to hear themselves and others around them. From the multiple hearing solutions available to treat these cases, cochlear implants are the best option in cases of severe hearing loss.
Cochlear implant signifies a bionic device wherein an artificial device is used to stimulate a biological organ, that is the cochlea.
Despite their effectiveness, the high costs and intensive aftercare limit their adoption.
The cost of each device is 6.5 lakhs. So this is beyond the income of any parent of these poor, marginalized deaf children.
The person is diligent about their therapy through our experts, the more they will be able to extract the benefit from such a device and improve the quality of their life.
Dr. Christopher D'Souza has been at the forefront of this transformative technology, providing hope and opportunities to countless children who once felt trapped in silence. He has performed more than 500 cochlear implant surgeries in the last 20 years. He conducts this program out of Leelavati Hospital, Mumbai and Holy Spirit Hospital.
I have been in the business of the restoration of hearing, especially in poor, deaf, marginalized children. My purpose is to identify people with hearing disabilities and treat them immediately.
In this program, all newborn in these hospitals undergo screening for hearing impairment, and if confirmed as a potential candidate for an implant, patients and their families receive thorough counseling, as a part of which they are shown educational videos and can also connect with other implantees for any queries. Additionally, the team also facilitates support for the funding process through several donor organizations.
नमस्कार, माझं नाव पूजा दीपक चव्हाण आणि हा माझा मुलगा आहे आराध्य दीपक चव्हाण. आम्हाला 2 वर्षांनंतर समजलं की त्याला ऐकण्याचा प्रॉब्लेम आहे, तो ऐकत नाही. तर आम्ही मग त्याचं कॉक्लिअर इम्प्लांटची सर्जरी केली आणि त्यामुळे आम्हाला खूप म्हणजे चांगला रिस्पॉन्स आहे. थँक्यू क्रिस सर, थँक्यू मैम आणि थैंक यू लीलावती हॉस्पिटल.
और आज देखो ये खुद नॉर्मल बच्चों की तरह बोल रहा है, नॉर्मल स्कूल में, नॉर्मल बच्चों के बीच में. लाइफ यहाँ से यहाँ चली गई है हम लोग.
The success of Dr. D'Souza's program has not gone unnoticed. It's been featured in numerous newspapers and media outlets, earning accolades for its transformative impact. The program has also received support from eminent personalities who advocate for hearing loss awareness and support. Thanks to Dr. D'Souza and his team, many children like Siddhi are not just hearing but thriving, fully integrated into the world of sounds.